One of the biggest sources of misunderstandings and communication breakdown is language. By understanding what strategies are helpful, we can help resolve problems and communicate better in English. Studies show that the following are the 12 strategies that speakers commonly resort to when communication problems arise. 1. Message abandonment. You leave the message unfinished because of language difficulties. 2. Topic avoidance. You try not to talk about concepts difficult for you to express. 3. Circumlocution. You describe or paraphrase the target object or action. 4. Approximation. You use an alternative term sheet to express the meaning of the target word. Say as closely as possible. 5. Use of all-purpose words. You expand a general word to contexts where certain words are lacking, like the overuse of the words thing, stuff, make, do. What do you call it? What is it? 6. Word coinage. You create a new English word based on what you know of the way English works, like vegetarianist, which is not in the dictionary for vegetarian. 7. Use of nonverbal means. You mime, gesture, use facial expression, and intimate sound to express the meaning you want. 8. Literal translation. You translate a word or an idiom from your mother tongue to English using the structure of your first language. 9. Foreignizing. You use the word in your native language but pronounce it like English. 10. Code switching. You use the native word or expression for the English term that expresses the meaning you want. 11. Appeal for help. You ask other students or your teacher for help when you do not know or forget some words, structures, or idioms. 12. Use of fillers or hesitation devices. You use filling words to gain time to think.
Guys, wait for a second. Did you see that girl at bench?
Yes.
It was Janine Aquino, right? Yes, it was.
Let's go and meet her.
Hi, Janine. Hi. What are you doing here? Nothing. I just want to be alone.
Why you want to be alone?
Because me and my Never mind, let's talk something. By the way, how are you and your husband? Can we please not talk about it? Okay, I'm sorry.
Friends of mine, do I look sexy now?
Friends of mine, look at me. I look sexy now.
Yes, of course, baby. You know what? For being so sexy, you look like a mango. Let's find a place where we can sit because I'm so tired now.
13 already for standing so long. Guys, look at them. Our classmates, the group of custodianists. Haha.
What do you say or what do you call them?
She said the custodian group. Let's go enjoy them. Yeah, enjoy
Pwede tayo mapagtulong ka?
Join me to your group? Yes, you may.
Is there any problem here?
Guys, I need to go home now because my husband already texted me that he is already there to pick me. Bye, guys.
Bye, Sheila.
Guys, can you translate this word I love you in Chabacan? I have a friend from Canada and she trying to speak Tagalog, and when I teach her, she looks so funny.
Can I speak like this? Mga kababayan ko, kamusta na kayo? Buhay pa ba kayo?
By the way, Tim, can I ask you something?
Yes, what is it?
Can you help me to our assignment oral home?
The narrative report?
Yes.
You don't need to ask for help because it was too easy.
I know, but I was absent when the interim started this time.
Okay, fine. But only for today, okay?
Thank you, Kim. I love you.
Guys, I think we need to go home because it's already 11:30 a.m. And I think we need to take a lunch.
But I want to stay here for a while. Rika is right. And we don't stress enough to buy something. Okay, let's go. And thank you for the time, guys, that we spent.
Welcome. Bye, everyone. Let's go.
Be careful. See you next time.
Bye-bye!
Guys, wait. Please. Guys.
Bilis, bilis! Ah! Batang pasaway at lahat sasabay hanggang mamatay, Rosta! Dadaling ko hanggang mamatay. Di na pwede lumiko, di na pwede umatras, di na pwede lumiko. At lasing na lasing at pabilis ng pabilis. At kapag tinopak na ako, di na pwede tumino. Ah!
Lahat ay babanggain. Lahat ay babanggain.
Friends of mine, do I look sexy now? Friends of mine, look at me. Do I look like sexy now?
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit ang ika'y akapin, naglalaho sa dili.